September 14th, 2023, inside a Florida home, a 12-year-old girl was injured after police say her mother pressed a powered drill with a screw against her, causing bleeding and a visible injury. When officers asked what happened, the mother said it was meant as a joke. But when does a joke become abuse? And what happened next raised even more concerns about the children in that home. The incident happened inside a home that looked ordinary from the outside, but investigators quickly realized the situation inside was far from normal. The 12-year-old told police the drill had been turned on and pressed against her skin, leaving her bleeding and visibly injured. Officers documented the injury immediately, ensuring the child received proper medical attention and care. The mother claimed it was meant as a joke. She said she never intended to hurt her daughter, but the injury was real, and the pain the child endured could not be ignored. Because the injury was serious, police decided to investigate further. They interviewed the other children in the home to assess the overall safety of the household. Therefore, the focus shifted from one incident to the broader concern for the well-being of all the children living there. During these interviews, investigators discovered additional signs of concern. Some children admitted feeling scared or uneasy at times, while others described moments where they felt unsafe. Although nothing suggested extreme violence, the environment raised questions about supervision, boundaries, and the children's emotional safety. Investigators also noted subtle signs of distress in the children's behavior, hinting that this may not have been an isolated incident. But without clear evidence, authorities had to carefully record every detail. The mother was arrested and charged with child abuse. She was taken into custody and later released after posting a $25,000 bond. While many expected the case to continue through the courts, it did not. Court records later showed the case was closed. No trial occurred and no public explanation was offered. Cases involving children are often complex. Some are closed because of limited evidence, others because legal decisions prioritize the children's privacy and protection. But closure does not always mean the harm never happened. This case highlights how quickly serious actions can be downplayed when adults claim it was a joke. Even minor incidents can have lasting effects on children, emotionally and physically. Experts say that children are highly sensitive to threats and perceived dangers, and even moments framed as playful can cause fear and trauma. Authorities emphasize that every report of a child's safety must be taken seriously, and parents' intentions do not erase the consequences of their actions. Ultimately, this situation serves as a stark reminder. Children rely on adults to protect them. Words like "just a joke" cannot undo the pain, the fear, or the lasting impression left on a young mind. The law often steps in when home safety fails, but the consequences for the children remain. Like and subscribe for more stories like this. This case shows how serious actions can be dismissed with simple words. A joke, a mistake, no bad intent. But when a child is hurt, the impact matters more than the excuse. So here's the question for you. Should intent matter when a child is injured, or should the injury speak for itself? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more full-length stories like this, check out Dad Murdered, Daughter Left Shattered on my channel. It's waiting for you.